Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I'm going to share the delicious Dubai chocolate inspired pistachio strawberry cups. It's super simple and so delicious. All you need is fresh strawberries, pistachio cream, chocolate ganache and kunafa. For this recipe we need Kataifi shredded pastry dough. I'm going to use the half of the packet. You can finely chop the Kataifi or pastry dough with a knife or food processor. You can toast the Kataifi in the stovetop or in the oven. I will show you guys both ways. First I will show you the oven method. Just spread the Kataifi in a sheet pan and drizzle some butter and bake it in the oven 350 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes or until the Kataifi becomes crispy and golden color. Just make sure every 10 minutes stirring, and so that the Kataifi that will roast evenly. Since I am doing it in the oven, I am doing the whole packet, so I am going to save the half of them for my next recipe. Once it's ready, you can take out from the oven and let it cool for some time. Look at that, how crispy and golden it became. It was very easy. Next I will show you the Stovetop method. In a large pan, you can melt the butter and you can add the shredded Kataifi and toast until golden and crispy. It takes around 10 minutes. Keep stirring until golden brown. Toast on low to medium heat for about 10 minutes until it's golden and crispy. Once it's ready, you can turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Then you can add the pistachio paste, chopped pistachios and tahini. Mix it well until everything combined together. Let's prepare the chocolate ganache. Heat heavy cream in a saucepan over medium heat until the bubble appears on the edge of the saucepan. Then you can turn off the heat and you can add the milk chocolate and let it sit for like 3 minutes until the chocolate is melted, and you can stir until it's smooth and glossy. Try to use high quality chocolate that will give a richer and deeper taste to the dish. Cut the strawberries into 4 slices. Chop pistachio for garnish. Our chocolate ganache is ready now. Pistachio cream. Pistachio kunafa mix. Take the cups and you can drizzle some chocolate ganache first, and then you can do some pistachio cream in that cup. spoon little Kataifi mixture into the bottom of the cup, and then you can add a layer of diced strawberries and then top with chocolate ganache. You can continue this process for another 2 layers. Finally, you can garnish with some pistachio paste and chopped pistachio and places strawberry piece on the top.